Have you read Magic Bricks Prop Index reports yet? If so, you must have noticed the growing demand for larger living spaces across India in this quarter. And Bengaluru is no different. In fact, 3 BHK apartments make up the largest portion, accounting to 53% of the overall demand. In response to this demand, developers are striving to meet the supply needs. Today, I, Tanu, on MBTV have got an upscale project for you located in the prime locality of Whitefield. This is Prestige Pine Forest on ECC Road. Stay tuned as we explore the floor plans, price details, and so much more, and subscribe to MBTV if you haven't already. Spread across 9 acres on ECC Road, Whitefield, this ultra-luxury project offers 316 exclusive units featuring spacious 3 and 4 BHK homes ranging from 1,510 to 2,218 square feet. Designed with a focus on greenery, space and privacy, the project consists of 4 towers with a 2-level basement plus ground plus 14 floors. With its thoughtfully planned layout and premium amenities, this development promises a serene and sophisticated living experience in one of Bengaluru's most sought-after locations. According to RERA, the project should be ready for possession by December 2028. Founded in 1986, the Prestige Group has its strong presence in cities like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Cochin, Mumbai, Chennai, Mangalore, Kozhikode and Goa. The group has completed 300 plus projects spanning a developable area of more than 180 million square feet and has 56 ongoing projects across segments with a total developable area of 86 million square feet. Further, it is planning 43 projects spanning 85 million square feet and holds a land bank of over 728 acres as of September 2023. One of the standout features of Pine Forest by Prestige is its emphasis on privacy. The balcony does not face your neighbors, ensuring a quiet and secluded living experience. If privacy is a priority for you, this project is definitely worth considering. Another key highlight is the 270-degree balcony view offered in each unit on every floor. Additionally, each home comes with 3 dedicated car parks, a rare luxury in most residential projects of Bengaluru. Now, let's dive into the configuration and design layout of the largest 4 BHK available in this development. So this apartment offers a carpet area of 2,218 square feet, designed for spacious and comfortable living. As you enter, you are welcomed by a generous foyer leading into a large living area which connects to a shared balcony with bedrooms 1 and 2. The dining and family areas also opens up to a spacious balcony, creating a bright and airy ambience. Bedroom 1 features a walk-in closet and an attached washroom. Bedroom 2 also includes a walk-in closet and an attached washroom for added privacy. Bedroom 3 comes with walk-in closet, an attached washroom and its own spacious balcony. Bedroom 4 features a Juliet balcony along with an attached washroom. Additionally, the apartment includes a well-designed kitchen with a utility area and a dedicated home office or servant room complete with an attached washroom. With its thoughtful layout and expansive spaces, this apartment is ideal for large families seeking comfort and functionality. The starting price for 3 BHK units is approximately 3.5 crores, while 4 BHK units are priced at around 4.5 crores. ECC Road in Whitefield is one of the Bangalore's most sought after and premium localities, known for its lush greenery and less congestion compared to other parts of the city. The area is home to the renowned Dean's Academy, making it an ideal choice for families. Connectivity is a major highlight, with Kadugodi Tree Park Metro Station just 1 kilometer away, ensuring seamless access across the city. Additionally, ITPL, one of Bengaluru's key tech hubs, is also just 1 kilometer from the project. For healthcare, residents can have easy access to top hospitals like Manipal Hospital and Swastha Hospital, ensuring quality medical care is always within reach. For shopping and leisure, malls like Nexus Whitefield, Park Square Mall are all within 5-kilometer radius. Some of the civic challenges faced by the people residing on ECC Road is the poor condition of roads because of the ongoing construction. Peak hour traffic congestion is also a concern. Apart from that, there are not many significant challenges in the locality. When it comes to infrastructure and connectivity, there's a great news for Whitefield residents traveling to the airport. As part of its 16,500 crore expansion, Bangalore International Airport Limited is developing the Eastern Connectivity Tunnel, which will provide a direct link from Whitefield, Sarjapur and Mahadevpura to Kempegowda International Airport. That wraps up our detailed project review of Prestige Pine Forest in Whitefield. As always, we advise you to conduct your own due diligence and research before making any final investment decision. We would like to know if this could be your dream home or a promising investment for future. Please let us know in the comments. This is me, Tanu Sardana, signing off with camera person Tarak. See you in the next video.